Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So you guys are watching e-learning with Suruchi and I'm your educator Suruchi Mahato. So in this particular video I will show you how to find the volume of the sphere in Python. So let me tell you first that I'm using the version Python 2.7.18. You can use some other version and use this programming. You will get the result I'm damn sure about, because it's the real format to how to find the volume of the sphere. Okay, so what you need to do first is from math import pi. So I want to import pi over here, that's why I have put this program, that is from math import pi. And after that what you need to write is r means the radius of the sphere. So I have put r equal to input, enter the radius of the sphere slash n, that is under inverted comma. So you can put the value of n whatever you want, 1 2 3, any whole number. Okay, so enter the radius of the sphere, that will come on output after running it out. So let me write the formula of the volume, then only you will get the result. So how I written, that is v equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is the format how to write this particular formula, that is in a first bracket you have to write 4.0. I've used 0.0, decimal 0 is more important in Python while you are running, because it might create error if you don't write decimal 0 in any numbers. Okay, so you have to write decimal 0. So 4.0 by slash 3.0, that is under first bracket, and then star, that means into I've started second bracket, that is pi into r into 3. I have put 2 stars over here because I want power, that is r to the power 3, and to the just for to the power I have used double stars. Okay, now we have to write print volume of the sphere. So they will print out the volume of the sphere as v. Okay, so let's run it out. Let's see what will happen. So I have to click run and then run module. You can also click F5 for your comfort from your keyboard. Okay, so yeah, okay, so it has been came in output that enter the radius of the sphere. So let me think, I have put radius, value of radius as 5. See, the result has been come, that is 523.59, or you can consider it as 6. So you have got the value. I'm then just copy it out. Now minimize it, paste it over here. Okay, so we'll get the result. How could you save it? Click on file and then click on save. I've already saved it, so you don't need to save again. So thank you so much for watching. So if you like my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the bell icon as well. So like, share and subscribe as much as you can, and please enjoy my channel. Thank you so much. Bye, have a nice day.